Your bathroom isn't ugly because you don't have money. It's ugly because you're spending money on the wrong things. I've seen someone drop $12,000 on a remodel that still looks like a 1998 motel. And I've seen someone spend $400 and end up with a bathroom that looks like a boutique hotel. Today you're getting the second one. Stick around, because the last upgrade on this list gets the biggest, "Wait, how much was that?" reaction, and it's not what you think. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you catch next week's budget upgrade video. And drop a comment telling me which room you want tackled next. Now let's fix your bathroom. The real secret to looking expensive. Expensive bathrooms don't look good because of the price tag. They look good because everything is intentional and there are zero visual accidents. Mismatched hardware, harsh builder grade lighting, and dirty grout are the three biggest culprits, and none of them require a full renovation to fix. Designers are calling this the quiet luxury approach this year. Fewer loud changes, more small, consistent ones. Upgrade 1, the hardware swap. Cost is usually $60 to $150, and the impact is the highest on this whole list. Right now, your faucet, cabinet knobs, towel bar, and toilet paper holder are probably all different finishes. Pick one finish and commit to it everywhere. Champagne bronze, matte black, and brushed nickel all red is expensive without being flashy. This single swap is the best visual return on investment you'll get in an entire bathroom. Upgrade to lighting that doesn't look like an interrogation room. This runs about $50 if you're just swapping bulbs and adding plug-in sconces, or up to $200 if you hardwire new fixtures. That flat overhead light with the harsh white bulb flattens the whole room and makes every material look cheaper than it is. Switch to warm tone bulbs around 2700 Kelvin, and if you can, add sconces on either side of the mirror. Layered lighting is one of the biggest trends this year because it makes a space feel designed instead of default. Upgrade 3, the mirror swap. Budget under $100 for this one. That builder-grade mirror bolted straight to the wall is one of the fastest tells that a bathroom hasn't been touched in years. Swap it for an arched or wood frame mirror, and the room instantly feels intentional. Check secondhand marketplaces first. Mirrors are one of the easiest things to find gently used because people replace them before they actually wear out. Upgrade 4, grout and caulk refresh. This costs about $30 total and takes one afternoon. Nobody wants to talk about it because it's not glamorous, but dirty grout and yellowing caulk will sabotage every other upgrade you make. A grout refresh pan is around $15, and a tube of fresh caulk around the tub is another $15. This is the upgrade that makes people ask if you got new tile when really you just cleaned what you already had. Upgrade 5, paint a vanity instead of replacing it. Budget around $75. A full vanity replacement can run $300 to over $1,000 once you add the countertop and installation. Instead, sand yours down and repaint it in a warm wood tone, a deep sage, or a navy, all of which are dominating bathroom color trends this year. Pair it with a unified hardware from Upgrade 1, and you've essentially built a custom furniture-style vanity for a fraction of the price. Upgrade 6, an elevated shower curtain. This is under $60. Skip the thin plastic curtain and get a heavier weighted linen or waffle weave one. Then hang it from a curved rod instead of a straight one. The curved rod alone adds visual space and makes even a small stall shower feel roomier. Upgrade 7, texture and warmth. Keep this category under $100 if you shop smart. A woven bath mat, a wood stool or tray, a couple of humidity-tolerant plants like pothos or a snake plant, and matching soap dispensers warm up a space that would otherwise feel cold and clinical. This is the difference between a bathroom that looks staged and one that looks cared for. Upgrade 8, the one that surprises everyone. This runs $40 to $100. A bidet attachment, not a full smart toilet, just an attachment that fits your existing toilet. It sounds unrelated to looking luxury, but it's one of the fastest growing bathroom upgrades this year because it makes the whole space feel like a genuine spa experience instead of just a room you get in and out of. It's the kind of detail guests notice without being able to explain why your bathroom suddenly feels nicer. How to sequence this on a real budget. With $50, start with a hardware swap. With $150, add the lighting and the grout refresh. With $300, add the mirror and the vanity paint. Do the full list and you're at $400 to $600 total, spread across a few weekends. Each upgrade makes the next one look even better, So doing them in order get you looks luxury faster than trying to do everything at once and running out of budget halfway through. What this costs compared to a real remodel. All 8 upgrades together land between $400 and $600. A professional bathroom remodel this year typically runs $15,000 to $35,000. That gap is exactly why this approach makes sense for almost anyone, not just people who are tight on cash. The bathrooms that look expensive aren't the ones where someone spent the most, they're the ones where someone paid attention. Consistent finishes, warm lighting, and a few intentional details beat a rush full renovation every time. Pick one upgrade from this video and do it this week. Then come back and tell me how it turned out. If this changed how you see your bathroom. Subscribe so you don't miss the next budget upgrade video. And let me know in the comments which of these 8 you're starting with. See you in the next one.